Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day. And look right here, I get a lot of questions about how do I get these leaves off this new grass. Well, you can see I've got a lot of little baby grass right here coming up. And that grass is germinated and rooted and taken hold. It's not going anywhere. Okay, now this is different if you got grass seed on the ground that's not rooted. Yes, you can blow it away. You have to be extremely cautious with that. But this is wet leaves in a wet yard in wet ground, and watch. There you go. They come right up. The trick to this is it makes sure the turf grass is rooted down to the ground. And oh man, I really forgot to tell you this. One of the things I see a ton of people do is they'll take their mower with a bagger and ride over this brand new baby grass 2 or 3 times and try to suck up every single leaf clean. That is the absolute worst thing you can do. See you later.